Hello everyone, and let's take a look at this white trailer. All the facilities are installed ready, so let's take a look. Let's take a look from the hitch, and then we'll go through the inside and the exterior. The hitch area, the customer using Australian standard hitch, and it's very flexible for Australian standard. And 2 safety chains, 13-pin connection, manual brake, and a 1000 jack. This is an electric mover here, so we can take a look at this angle. This is the electric mover. So if you want to move the camper, it can be very easily by using this. In front of the trailer, there is a toolbox. You can put a propane tank inside, and also we have a 5-liter diesel oil or gasoline. You can add it at a time, and the water tank, you can use the key to open the water tank here. So this is the inside of the toolbox. There is a propane tank holder. So let's take a whole picture at this place, which is very shiny. The white one is a very unique color. And we can take a whole picture, take a look at here. The white one is very classy, you can see the shiny. So let's take a look at the inside. This is the inside of the trailer. And when the customer is ready, we will put on the mattress. You see, this is the aluminum frame. The electricity on this camper is all 12 volt. 12 volt air conditioner and 12 volt refrigerator. And the 12 volt LED lighting system, LED lamp, everything is 12 volt for this kind of compact trailer. And let me introduce you. For this, there is a liftable table in the middle, which can be manually lifted. The size of this queen size sleeping area is 2 meters by 1.85 meters. This is the pop-up slope pop-up tent. In later version, we will have a straight pop-up version. So this is the restroom, on-camper restroom, and we are using teak floor. The control panel. This is the control panel. So let me introduce for the control panel. And this is the water pump, signal roll 9 bar, air conditioner, USB charging port, plateau version diesel heater, MP5 music system. And there is a 350 watt solar panel display. Underneath there is a secret lighter, 2000 watt inverter, household electricity plug, and the water tank display. So this is and inside is very unique. The function is also very unique. And you see this customer is using a cassette toilet. There is a toilet plate and a water heater monitor and a cassette toilet, which we called fixed toilet. This is a customized version, very unique product. And 3 meter by 3 meter side tent, slope pop-up tent. And let's take a look at this side. You can fix the door there. And this is the rear side of the trailer. A hydraulic design rear luggage with cover. These are the aluminum alloy material. And full-size off-road spare tire. 20-liter capacity toolbox at one side. 40 liter in total. Waterproof and dustproof. Let's take a look at this side. So let's take a look underneath. Here is the license plate. You can install the license here, which have a LED lighting here, and also we have air conditioner fan here, 10-liter oil, diesel oil tank, and this is the exhaust for the diesel oil heater. And let's take a look at the chassis. This is the independent suspension system, and a pair of stainless steel support back at the rear of the trailer. And the signal for the rear trailer can synchronize for the front trailer, for front car. For the front car, US standard, the braking, when it's brake, some cars, it shows the yellow light, but US laws allows them to be the red one. So we can remove the yellow one to install a red one. You see those 4 bolts are the air conditioner installation place. This is the water heater, and there's a faucet. Yeah, and you see this one is the ventilation of the trailer. And let's take a look at this hatch. There is a air conditioner compressor and shore power plug, and also you can see the diesel heater inside. Hydraulic design, which is very brilliant and functional. This one, the 240 ampere gel battery and 2001 inverter installed here, and there is a cooling counter. It can detect the abnormal problem for the battery and the solar panel. And there is another household electricity. Very brilliant. And let's take a look at the top of the trailer. So this is very unique. So this is the briefly overlook for the white trailer. If you have any further questions, please let me know online. Thank you so much for watching.